At MacTech, we know that removing slag and mill scale shouldn't slow your shop down. In this demonstration, we're showcasing the Apex Easy Sander, using a 120 grit Cubitron II sanding belt to clean plasma-cut steel parts in a single pass. Compact, affordable, and portable, the Easy Sander is easy to set up and simple to use, making it the perfect solution for both small shops and large facilities. With quick belt changes and consistent performance, the Easy Sander eliminates time-consuming hand grinding while delivering smooth, uniform results. Backed by MacTech's 40-plus years of fabrication expertise, the Easy Sander is built to save you time, reduce labor, and improve part quality. To learn more or schedule a demo, contact MacTech today.